How to change language on RedNote app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open RedNote app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on gear icon in the middle, which is settings. After you click on the gear icon, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on gear icon like option again, which is the second option in here. Then click on the first option, which is the language. In here, click on English or any other language you want to change it to. Then press on red button at the top right, and your language will be changed in this way. This is how to change language on RedNote app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.